Setting goals for yourself is the best thing you can do for your business. It allows you to map out your future and use your time more effectively. In this training, we'll discuss setting goals and tracking your commission numbers so you can plan for future growth. Once your plan and goals are in your CRM, you'll be able to create a roadmap to success by visualizing your sales goals. Plus, our team is here to support you exactly how you want. We'll give you a rundown of our support resources and tools you can utilize to become a CRM pro. Wise Agent has a lot of tools to help you keep track of your goals, important tasks, and your commissions from sales. Our reports make it easy to navigate important items such as email reports and text messages sent. Many of these important features are available from the Home drop-down menu. First, we will navigate to the Goal Tracker. From the Goal Tracker, you can set annual and short-term goals. For the annual goals, you can type in your average sales price, gross annual sales, and assign it to a team member. Once you make these changes, it will show you how far along you are from the commission reporting and how many homes you need to sell to hit your goal. Under short-term goals, you can add in a monthly goal or a weekly goal. You can set the goal amount, select the goal type, and assign it to a team member. Once you set your goal, you'll be able to keep track of it by using the plus or minus metrics here. You can stop tracking your goal, view it on the reports, delete it from here, or make any necessary edits to that goal. Back from the Home dropdown, we can navigate to the Commission Report. From the commission report, you can enter in and keep track of sales. You will see here in the graphs that when you enter in a sale, it will enter that information into these graphs and pie charts. You can view all your sales down below or enter in a new sale here. When entering in a sale, you will name it, enter the type of sale, enter in the sales price, and any commission, referral, or brokerage fee amounts. From here, you can also attach a checklist or a property. You can even type in the client's name and select a completed date projection. The commission report defaults to the year that we are in. If you enter in a sale from a previous year, you can navigate to the date range from here. Back to our Home dropdown, we can now navigate to the call list. The call list will help you keep track of everyone that you need to touch base with. You can add users to the call list from here, and then you can set up the next contact date that you would like to call this individual. You can select a time, a call type, assign it to a team member, and put in your reason for contact. You can also mark if this call is very important. Once you save the call, if it's been under 2 days, it would show up today. We set that one for a future date so you can see it here. You can edit the call, add it to the calendar, or delete it under the action type. You can also make this call now pop up with a module of all the information on that individual. You can set in a subject, and enter in any notes. You can also schedule a follow-up call and time. You can attach an alert for when you would want to be reminded, and you can select the emails that you would like to be reminded with. Once you are done making this call, you can hit complete, and this will complete the call. This will also update the contact summary page as their last contact date. On the call list, you can view all your calls, past due calls, calls for today, future, and completed. On your Home dashboard, the calls that are due for that day will appear there. You can also filter through the call list by team member or call type, and you can also delete or complete calls in bulk from the call list actions. If you want to make calls straight from your Wise Agent account, you can use our integrated partner Wave's built-in power dialer. This is a power dialer that you can use to make calls from within your CRM, and they have 3 different pricing options. The most popular option, the single line power dialer, gets you 7,500 minutes. You can call via computer or phone, have call campaigns, choose your caller ID, have a call history log, time zone protection, call recording, and a smart voicemail drop. The next item in our home dropdown that we'll be going over is the task list. Tasks that we have entered into our checklists, which we went over in the previous recording, will appear here. You can also add in tasks and set alerts for these tasks here. You can enter in a subject for your task, assign it to a team member, and set the estimated time, priority, and due date of this task. You can also enter in a contact name from your contact list and any details about this task. Tasks that are due for the day will also appear on the home dashboard under the task list module. You can mark off a task as completed from here, and if you want to remove these finished tasks, you can do so by clicking this button. You can set up an alert for a task by clicking on the pencil icon here and navigating to the Alert tab. You can set a time and date and select the email or cell email that you wish to alert. You can also filter the checklist by whether it's in a checklist or not, and by team member. There are also print options for the task list. If you need assistance with your goals, tasks, or important dates, use the help dropdown to reach out to our support team anytime.